Hello friends, in this video, I am going to show you how to easily fix Canva downloading problem. Before we start the video, if you are coming to our channel for the first time, clicking the like button and the subscribe button is really appreciated, as this helps me motivated to make more helpful videos like this. And also make sure you don't skip the video and watch the full video so that you don't miss the important steps. So, what actually does the problem look like? After you have done your editing in Canva, you would want to export the file to your device to use it in other ways. This process involves downloading the file into your device. While downloading the file, it keeps showing downloading even after almost 100%. So even if you are waiting for a whole day, it never completes the process. Now on my screen, there are two files showing exactly the same files. I did this to show you how it can be fixed. One of the files is successfully downloading, but the other one still shows downloading, even though it is almost 100%. To fix this, you need to do something. While exporting the file, wait for a pop-up window like this asking your permission where to save the file. A lot of people usually ignores this window by clicking the close button, and this is the major reason why your downloading process lasts forever. Now, let's look at this new clean download. The download process starts. We are waiting for the pop-up window to show up. Finally, it shows up. The amount of time it takes to show up this pop-up window depends on how big your file is. I am renaming the file and choosing which folder to save this file. And done. The file is now successfully downloaded. I hope this simple video helps you to fix the problem. Leaving a like is appreciated, and thanks for watching.